even though we were part of the interviews and things of really getting it together and the content of it, until you actually hear what they're doing, bringing it together, you see a little clips of it, you don't really understand the magnitude of this. So I'm really excited myself tonight to just see it all pulled together and for the world to be able to see just his message. People expected you to look a certain way and to do certain things, and he's created his own way. He's persevered. He's committed to being intentional about where he wanted to be with his life and what he wanted to do with basketball. And then off the court, same thing, just as a father, as a husband, and so I'm just excited, and I'm just blessed to just know that my son's going to be able to have an impact like he's going to have with this movie.